y'all, it's your girl Sashi E. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a hot oil treatment on my type 4 natural hair. So I will be using extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, and coconut oil. So I'm going to start off by pouring equal parts of extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, and coconut oil in my applicator bottle. So I decided to use these three oils because from my research, coconut oil, avocado oil, and olive oil actually penetrates the hair shaft. I was a little apprehensive about adding the coconut oil because in the past it hasn't really worked that well for my hair. Leave me a comment and let me know if coconut oil works well for you guys, because for me it's like I'm not really too sure. So I think the next time I try this, I'm going to just use the olive oil and the avocado oil. So now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to pour some hot water in this bowl, and then I'm going to have this oil sit in here for a few minutes until it gets hot. As always, I do like to show you guys the state of my hair before I do anything to it. So I just took my hair out of my ninja bun with my Chinese bangs. So now I'm just going to go ahead and wash it. I did wash my hair with the Curl Mix product, so I used their shampoo and their conditioner. So as you guys can see, I am testing the oil because it did feel a little bit too hot at first. So I wanted to make sure it wasn't going to be too hot for my scalp. So I'm just going to direct that oil to my scalp and I'm going to rub that in. And then once I'm done massaging my scalp with the oil, I'm going to go from twist to twist and apply the oil to each section.
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. The things you're saying, it blows my mind. The way you're thinking, it's hard to keep up. You got that beauty and all the brain, yeah, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need.
Alright guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and put on a shower cap, and then I'm going to sit underneath my hooded dryer for 30 minutes. Alright guys, so I am back from sitting underneath the dryer, and I just wanted to show you guys my hair. So as you guys can see, I have a little bit of excess oil in my shower cap, but that is perfectly fine. And my hair looks really good, you guys. It is very moisturized, it is very soft, very manageable, and I really like the outcome of this hot oil treatment. Alright guys, so I did rinse my hair out with water only. I tried to get out as much oil as possible. As you guys can see, my hair still looks very good. It is very shiny, very manageable, and also very soft. And that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. I post on Sundays, Thursdays, and Fridays, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!